happy holidays. Welcome to Oh What Fun Team Trivia, the customizable holiday trivia game where you can bring folks together for some fun and competitive cheer, even while celebrating remotely. Play in teams, putting your brains together in trivia breakout rooms, or play as individuals where everyone is going for the win. The answer: Bruce Springsteen's up on that stage. He was so young. Believe it or not, Winston Zeddemore was originally written for Eddie Murphy. What kind of a different movie would that have been? The faster you answer correctly, the more points you get. And there's no download needed. You can play on a web browser, on a computer, tablet, or phone. A fully hosted holiday trivia competition just for your team. Well, let's take a look at the scoreboard. We have Trivia Masters takes it at 2,835 points. The Maccabees keep rising. That's the best part. Do you know your holidays? Bring in the holiday season with Oh What Fun Team Trivia.